Paco de la India.
Hey.
Welcome to Zimbabwe, Bulawayo.
But do you accept Bitcoin?
I want only Bitcoin. I don't want security.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin.
Hi, good morning. Today is day 270. 9 months on the road, running in Bulawayo. Hi, good morning.
Hi, Paco.
How are
Run with Bitcoin. How are you?
I'm fine.
My name is Langa. On Twitter, I go by the handle that is called the Prestige Group Network. Right, so I own Bitcoin, only Bitcoin. I'm a Max, you know. And also, yeah.
So, when did you first buy Bitcoin?
That was the deep of 2020. In fact, like when it was still 8,000.
Okay, why did you buy Bitcoin?
I started on with value investing, Preston Pish, investors podcast. So at some point we got orange pilled into Bitcoin, and it had all the fundamentals that we're looking for, you know, as a value investor. Yeah.
Why do you hold Bitcoin?
I think Bitcoin is the only single asset right now that the world needs.
Okay.
Monetary, investments, like just everything to do with the monetary system, you know. Bitcoin is the full package.
Okay.
Of yeah.
So, what are you doing for Bitcoin awareness in Zimbabwe?
Well, since we had a first meetup on Saturday, we are very much pumped, you know, to start doing these meetups. At least two meetups in a week, you know.
In a month, yeah?
Yeah, like in a week.
Yeah,
you know?
it's nice.
Yeah, we're really pumped. So I've talked to churches. We're gonna start with churches because they already have people. You know, and these people, they don't know about financial, how to deal, they don't know about money, they don't know about investing. So you're gonna say, look guys, let's be spiritual and let's teach about money at the same time. So we're gonna teach about Bitcoin every church gathering that I can get.
Nice. And you have a Facebook group, you said?
Yes.
What's it called?
It's called Bitcoin for Zimbabweans, and there's another one called Buy and Sell Bitcoin.
Nice.
In Zimbabwe.
Lovely, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Cool, thanks Paco.
Thank you. Have a good day.
It's been a great, meeting.
All right.
Cheers.
Yes.
Yo, did you see that line? Those are all people waiting to get out their money. It's insane. In 2016, they let go of US dollars and they got the Zimbabwe bond, right?
Yeah.
The Zimbabwean dollar. It was 1:1. And today we are at almost 550, 600. Damn, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, man.
It just wiped out everything. Oh Lord. This is Cape Town. That is 1150 miles. That is 3,500 miles. Finally, we'll be chilling in a park before we go exploring this wonderful city. There are not much to do here, more in the outskirts, but yeah. Thank you, man, for showing this park.
Cool,
What's it
bro.
called? What's the park called?
Centenary Park.
Okay, nice.
It's called the Centenary Park. It looks like a thinker, but it also looks like someone who's worried.
This one is worried.
I think they should change and put someone happy. Maybe things might change.
Fucking. This is amazing.
Okay.
The apples are from South Africa, and Zimbabwe is the safest country. Like my host here, he's been walking all day like this. He's got a tablet, phone in the hand. That is amazing. Like it is so safe.
Yeah.
Oh my God, amazing Zimbabwe.
It's a very peaceful country. Zimbabwe is very peaceful.
It's the first living Christmas tree.
Serious, you think so?
Yeah, right? Think about it.
And look at all these names, man.
They died for you.
I think so.
Yeah. This rock.
I think so.
This rock is for the dead, but yeah. This all is made by this man. This is so cool.
So, finally.
Made with this, all is doing it like this, man. Hey. Wow.
It's an old piece.
Wow, man, this is such a crazy work, man. How much time does it take to do one?
I'm sure this one took me a month.
This one a month? This one?
Yeah.
1 month already? This one will go for how much?
This one will go from 1 point something. I'll figure it out.
Do you accept Bitcoin?
What?
Accept Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, what's that?
It's digital currency. This one. Do you know this?
Oh, if you explain it much further, then I understand. I'm sure I'll accept it.
Lovely, man.
Yeah.
Instantly.
Oh.
Yeah. Very second.
So I only cash out to the Bitcoin people.
Well, here in Zimbabwe, there's no exchange. But in other countries, the exchange is like.
This is Paxful exchange.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Paxful. I'll just show. Yeah.
Okay.
So on that exchange, you can buy and sell your Bitcoin. So we can get paid from anywhere in the world. Anybody can pay you, and you can cash it out through Paxful. Yeah.
Big up Paco de la India.
Hey.
Welcome to Zimbabwe, Bulawayo. You see me?
That mommy. Wow.
This is where you get best pies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Best pies in town.
Nice. Yeah. How much? $5. Do you accept Bitcoin? No. Okay, thanks. Let's go. But do you accept Bitcoin?
I want only Bitcoin. I don't want security money.
Nice, let's do this. Huge, like $2 for such a huge pie.
Man, like,
This is big, bro.
it is.
We are going big, man.